Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to open and translate your PDF to whatever language of your choice in MS Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Open. Then you can go ahead and click on Browse File right here. Then locate where you have your PDF. I'm going to use this particular PDF right here. Hit on Open. Go ahead and click on OK. Now we have the PDF file being successfully opened right here, and it has been fully editable. How can we translate language in this particular PDF file? So go ahead and select the area you want to translate. For instance, if I want to translate this part, so once I select the area I want to translate, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Review. Under the Review, click on Translate. Go ahead and click on Translate Selection. And the dialog box here is going to load up from the sidebar on your Word document. So here we go. So we have detected language to be English right here. So we have the translated into. So I can decide to translate from English to Spanish. So for that, so go ahead and click on the language right here. Then you have to make sure you look for whatever language you want to translate into right here. So there are a lot of language right here. So you just have to make sure you select the one you want to translate into. Right. So let's say for instance, so like here I have the Spanish right here. So select on the Spanish, then it has been automatically translated into Spanish. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and hit on Insert. So once you click on Insert, it's going to automatically replace the previous language you have in the PDF. So I can decide to highlight the top right here. So I can decide to also translate this. But this time around, I can change the language from the top right here. So select on here, then choose another language right here. Like for instance, I can decide to change this from English to Chinese. Let's see if there is Chinese language. So we have Chinese simplifier right here. So select on that, and you can see everything has been fully translated right here into Chinese simplifier right here. So next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on Insert. So I can go ahead and change to Chinese tradition. So right here, so we have it right here. So just like so, just go ahead and select. So I can decide to change to another, let's take a look at Danish right here. So we have it right here. So we can go ahead and insert the language as the case may be. So I want to select this part right here, which is the detected language. Come back here, click on the translate, and in a few seconds, it's going to present the tab right here to Danish. I can decide to switch to another language. Let's try and see Chinese tradition. So you can see that successfully translate. I can hit on Insert, and in a few seconds we have Chinese translation right here. You can use this method to translate as many as possible PDF file to whatever language of your choice. Once you are done, you can save the file back to PDF. For that, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on File, then go ahead and make sure you locate Save As. Then go ahead and select your browse, your file destination. Then I'm going to save this file to desktop right here. Then go ahead and select file type. Make sure you use PDF. Go ahead and hit on save. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be saved back successfully into the PDF. And then the language you change is going to be fed in the document. Just like what you see right here, you can see where we change this to Chinese. Then you can see the rest of the document right here where we change to Spanish. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.